mid-row per usual, but I was reading an article that I wanted to share with you guys. Let me grab my phone so I can reference it. You know, I always get questions from you guys and a lot of enthusiasm for efforts to promote more sustainable packaging and reduction of skincare packaging waste. So I wanted to share with you, I recently learned about this. I found this article. Apparently Unilever has partnered with, I've never heard of this company, Beauty Kitchen. I think it's based in the UK. And they're gonna have the first ever refill stations for skincare products, which I think is really cool. They're going to be located in Asda's flagship sustainability store in Leeds. So it's a collaboration between Unilever and Beauty Kitchen, and it's going to be the Unilever, I guess, skincare brands like Simple, Radox shower gel. We don't have that here, and also laundry liquid, Persil laundry liquid. Products will be dispensed in reusable aluminum or stainless steel bottles. First-time shoppers will be provided with a bottle, and then returning shoppers will reuse their existing bottle. After filling, shoppers add their printed label to the bottle and take it to checkout as usual. And this is what's cool. Each bottle has a unique QR code, so they can trace the bottle. Basically, they're gonna track your spending and skincare use habits probably, and that will help Unilever then make, you know, products that consumers actually want and use, but also refill life cycle. The stations could purportedly save the equivalent, this is cool, of 30,000 plastic water bottles in one store over 1 year for the company. That's amazing. The reduction would be in line with Unilever's commitment to cut its use of plastic packaging. Brands are really taking this seriously, you guys. The reduction in packaging, you're gonna see more and more and more of this kind of thing, which is a great thing. I mean, reduction in unnecessary packaging and trying to have refills, I think, is really where it's going. The refill stations can be remanufactured to incorporate updated technology to eliminate waste. That's cool. So they're gonna, I guess, improve upon them with time as they learn more things. In-home refills. Household cleaning brand Cliff will offer in-home refills via concentrated refills. This is kind of cool. These are referred to as eco refills, and they reportedly will use 75% less plastic compared to conventional bottles, reducing trucking traffic by 87%. Per Unilever, an entire fixture of 10 times concentrated spray cleaners across the Asda estate could save 990 tons of plastic every year. Unilever's PG Tips and Pooka Tea. I've recently discovered Pooka Tea as a side note, and I really enjoy it, but it's pretty good. It's turmeric with coconut milk powder. So yeah, side note there, but Pooka has some good teas. Anyways, they're gonna have self-serve containers for loose teas, allowing customers to use tongs to self-dispense fully biodegradable tea bags. Shoppers will be able to take their own reusable container into the store or buy one there. That's cool. This is really cool, you guys. Comment below, those of you who live in the UK, have you tried this out yet? I don't know anything about this Beauty Kitchen, but it sounds really cool. Hopefully we'll get that here in the US at some point in the future. I think that's really cool. The only thing like this I've ever seen was a store in California that had a similar concept, but it was all their own skincare, cosmetics, like laundry detergent, and it was like a bunch of like kind of essential oil type stuff, heavily fragranced, and it was super expensive. I mean, really expensive, to the point where it's like, you're not helping anybody by doing this, because people who, you know, not everybody can afford that kind of thing. It needs to be, you know, affordable, basically. That's what I'm getting at. Not to discredit their efforts, that company or store in California. I mean, clearly they were thriving when I went in there, so they definitely have a customer base that maybe previously was using a lot of plastic and whatnot. So yeah, that's really cool. thought I would share that with you guys. I am thinking I'm gonna go to Tuesday Morning today. I haven't been there in a while, and I'm hoping they have some Christmas decorations out. I'm really in the mood to look at Christmas decor, and I don't feel like going to like Walmart or Target or any of the big box stores. Tuesday Morning usually has a pretty tame crowd. There usually aren't a lot of people in there, and they always have good stuff that's kind of unique. So I kind of want to go over there because I haven't been there in a while. So a while ago, I repotted my mascane in this pot, and it was a very rough transition for this half of the two, because when I initially got the pot, the soil that I had, I didn't have enough soil to adequately fill the pot. So I think its roots were not properly covered for probably the span of like a week. And once I got the new soil in, I don't know, it kind of spazzed and a bunch of the leaves died. And I removed them. But I think he's coming back because he since recently put out this little baby here that's new, and then that nubbin died in the transition. But there's a new healthy nubbin. So I'm hoping that he will revive. I think he's coming back. This half has done just fine. I think he sucks all the nutrients out of the soil. So yeah, they're doing better. So I thought I would update you guys on that. But look at this. I have been loving this thing to bits. This is my Aero Garden, my little indoor herb garden. And I trim it nightly to get fresh herbs to just sprinkle on my salad. And it grows like wildfire. This has been an amazing little treat to have. I know you can do flowers in these too. It might be nice to get another one and have some flowers. Well, hey guys, I'm here at Tuesday Morning. I'm wearing this baseball cap from Coolie Bar. I haven't really worn it that much. I got it a while ago. I kind of like it, but I don't know. It's almost like it's not quite, it needs a little bit more material, I feel like here. I mean, this kind of looks cool, but it feels like, it doesn't feel like it's gonna pop off, but I don't know. It's a little, I guess I need to break it in. I'm just muttering out loud per usual. I have about an average size head, I think, but I think if you had a small head, this would actually be a really good hat. I think people who have a smaller head have a hard time finding hats that aren't too saggy, so check this one out. Anyways, yeah, hopefully they've got some good stuff in there. It looks like they might. They always have something new to discover. Extra 25% off clearance. We'll have to check that. Halloween decorations are all 25% off. They have some really cute ones. This is adorable. What does he do? Oh, he likes that. Bone powder. Cute. Retinol makeup remover wipes. God, that's ridiculous. These Vera Bradley? They are. I like this one. cute is that? $14.99. That's a good price. They've definitely rearranged things since I was lost in here. They've moved the crafts over here as opposed to the back. Some nice yarn. If they have any good planner supplies. Sometimes they do. It's kind of cool, even though it's for embellishments. You could use it for something else. I have the Christmas treats. Ooh, a Harry and David advent calendar. It's kind of cute. This gingerbread ground coffee. I don't think I would care for that. Confused my brain too much. It's a pretty tin. These cocoa tins are pretty. Teas. I'm here in Costco and they got in the Nautica PJs. They're so soft, but I think I would get overheated in those. So I got in some sweaters. Weatherproof vintage. That's what the puffy fleece pullover I've been wearing a lot lately is this weatherproof vintage brand I got here. You guys were asking about. I've been pretty happy with it, but this feels like it would be itchy. How cool is this? Flexigon surge protector strip, and it's got a USB outlet, but it can be wrapped around stuff. These extra pieces, it's neat. $30. Well, hey guys, I'm back from the club and I actually just filmed a video for you all on skincare in your 20s. If you like this shirt, I got it on Amazon a while ago and it's really comfortable. It's just like a very soft material. You guys know how finicky I am with fabrics. I put away my Costco groceries. I got the usual suspects, you know, frozen cauliflower and whatnot. But speaking of soft fabrics, guess what I got? So if you're an OG watcher of mine, you will know of my friend Carol Hochman. Yes, that's right. Carol Hochman robes, you can get them at Costco, they come out with them every year, are the best robes ever. And I'm not exaggerating that. They're super soft, they're not too warm. They're the perfect material for here too, because they don't overheat you, you don't get overheated, but they're nice, they stay nice and soft. Yeah, it's just, it's like a soft teddy bear or something. So I ordered some things from Tone It Up. I've really been enjoying the app and the workouts I've been doing every day. It's kind of fun because the workouts are almost like going to a fitness class, but from your own home. So it's just kind of a nice way to change things up. But I got these ankle weights to try out with some of the workouts. They're like 2.5 pounds. I thought that would be good. I like to, you know, introduce different types of workouts because I've kind of been in a rut lately, alternating between the rebounder and my treadmill, like running and stuff. And I just wanted to do some more toning stuff. So over the past few weeks, I've been doing the workouts like every day and they're really good. It's just kind of nice to mix it up. There's like yoga with weights. They even have workouts that are on a bike, but I don't do those because I don't have a bike. And because I've been enjoying the recipes in the app so much, I got this cute little muffin tray that has their little logo, which I think is really cute. because they have a recipe for cranberry orange mini muffins I want to make. And I've had their protein before. It's really good. I needed some more protein powder, so I decided to get the vanilla. And then I've been wanting to try their protein bars for a while. So I got dark chocolate sea salt. That looked delicious. And I got peanut butter chocolate. And I also got these. I thought these would be good as a dessert. I got the peanut butter chocolate protein bites. And these looked amazing. The blueberry cheesecake bites. You can get these at Target. I haven't seen this at Target. Comment below and if you guys have seen it at Target, but I just thought this was so cute, so I went ahead and got it. And I also got, thank goodness, an order of my Four Sigmatic coffee. I love this. And I've been without it, and I've been doing I've been without my Four Sigmatic ground coffee for like a week now, and I've been doing this Nescafe Taster's Choice Instant. It's not horrible, but it's definitely not this. So I'll be happy to go back to real coffee. Well, hey guys. I look like I'm some sort of dancing mime or something. Mimes always wear a little black beret. That's kind of what it looks like I'm wearing. I have these pineapple PJs I got a while ago on the Amazonian. You can't really see them, but it's a blue t-shirt, a little pocket that has pineapple on it. I don't know why you would need a pocket on your breast pocket in the middle of the night. I guess if you had a nosebleed, you could, you know, have some Kleenex in there in case you had a nosebleed or something, or I don't know. Or cough drop if you were sick. Yeah, sometimes I wonder what clothing designers are thinking when they put things like, what purpose does the, like on jeans, there's always this little awkward metal stud thing by the belt buckle. Not the belt buckle, by the belt loop. It's like a metal stud piece of hardware. What does that do? I mean, maybe once upon a time we, I don't know, put our lasso there, but like now what do we need a stud on our pants for? I have no idea. Yeah, it's kind of an odd thing, but anyways, guys, speaking of loungewear, I'm actually pretty tired, so I'm gonna go to sleep. Thank you all for hanging out with me and making it to the end of the vlog. I greatly appreciate you sticking around this long. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, don't forget, sunscreen and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.